Just close your cheeks and come on.
Yeah, just come on over here, dude.
Yeah, that's your toilet paper, huh? Hot water.
I don't know how off this bitch is, but I know it's pretty fucking off.
I've got a jam.
Oh shit.
Seven-inch, 5.56.
Jesus fucking Christ.
Got the jets coming out and shit.
Yeah, looking for us.
Yeah, dude, our stand's about to go if we hit over here a couple more times. Oh, yeah.
So I'm gonna drop the rifle and try
to draw? You gonna take a shot or no?
I'm gonna take a shot with a pistol, but not with a rifle.
Right.
So I'm just gonna be
right.
bang, 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 bang. You're gonna say target. This drops. This comes out, and then I want to see how fast I can get from you saying target to this out and actually bang.
Shooter ready?
Ready.
Go. Shooter ready?
Ready.
Go.
Ass today, boys.
Hold this one.
Of course.
What'd you do, burn it?
Oh no, I bought this bitch used, bro. He had the backstrap glued on there. Yeah, I know.
You got it sighted in pretty nice.
Oh yeah, it's on. Stiff arm that bitch, Tony.
Cool. I turned the brightness down.
Oh yeah.
It's a little blinding. How do y'all run your
Over the head.
sling?
I run it, yeah, over my head.
Over?
One arm through.
Yeah.
Shit. You're choking me.
Got you.
There we go. Thank you.
There we go.
Sure.
There we go. That's there.
But that shit's right on your shoulder. Though.
Comfortable.
Nice, dude. Yeah, that's a
Yeah,
nice
yeah.
fucking sling.
I'm gonna try a headshot or top target.
All right.
Fuck. I'm dead.
Dead as fuck, dude.
Yeah, move it over that way.
I was thinking we were gonna have to.
Yeah.
That's perfect.
Shit, what about the, no, we've got all these, got all this bullshit right here.
You still see?
Go. Shooter ready?
Ready.
Go.
Go. I'm gonna shoot 2 to the body, reload, drop 1 to the head, on your go.
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 It hit rapid fire. This motherfucker's not moving. It's
Sweet.
Damn, dude, what the fuck? Holy fuck, dude. I gotta get a sight now.
Nice, isn't it?
Holy fuck, dude. You got me wanting to go get one of these bitches, dude.
Get you on, boy.
Yeah,
I know a place you can go get your 19X cut at to hold one of those.
I'd rather do that, honestly.
It'll cost you $150 to get it cut.
That's not bad.
It's gonna be spent
let's
on the
scoot back
scope.
first.
Damn, dude.
Is there more in it? No, yeah, just, yeah. Let's
Shoot them all?
Yeah.
There you go. A fucking laser beam, dude. Holy shit.
Bro, that's at least a 50 cal. You know,
Oh, yeah.
grain wise.
Yeah, yeah.
Keep going.
God. Here you go.
Hey, keep holding it.
You need to set it up. You need to stand through the hole.
glory, God bless America.
Oh yeah, come on.